You using a only past, you using a only present, you using only a future tense and nothing. If you are not able to creating the sentences, then why you going in the way of grammar? First of all, you need to create your sentences by on yourself. Then you have to go on the grammar. So all my friends, so how all of you are? You are great and amazing, I'm sure. So actually in this video I would like to say there are many one who facing many challenges to speaking English. So I would like to say how they can easily overcome and they can learn very well and they can speak very fantastic. The thing is when they nothing getting their environment, then they unable to speak, so they're not coming in the environment to practicing, so that's why they're not able to speaking English very well. I'm just sharing the some information with you. Suppose when someone living on those environment who getting the different languages, so they adapt that kind of adaptations, so he easily habitate this kind of environment because he living on those languages, on those cultures or religious or whatever like this, they adapt this kind of things. But when someone not getting, so they unable to learn very well. But somehow in India, actually I'm trying to speaking that there are many colleges, there are many academics, there are many institutes who usually teach students, and they how they getting the environment I don't know very well, but I want to say, yeah, how they giving only there is a 10% teachers to their student. It means he giving the 10% students English environment very amazingly. Suppose when someone going to the academic or college or institute, there are the environment for learning and the speaking different topics for practicing, because when someone going in this kind of environment, because their idea of speaking, their idea of skill, their communication skill and fluency is going to improve, and lots of things is improving when they practicing. Suppose how it's improving, just I'm giving you some kind of things like, suppose you going in the institute and this institute is very amazing, it's a wow, it means he giving the environment for learning English. So in the same way you can learn very well the good academic and good institute, so it will be very easier for you to learning and succeeding in this language. And when they join in the teachers, they are very intellectual, how to teach to a student, how to learn English to our student. In that way they have good idea and information, and then they giving their thoughts to the to the student, and their student are good in English, their level of speaking English so amazingly. So when giving the environment, it means there is a lots of student on the class, so there is a lots of student, they can how they can create the environment, they can create the environment. Teacher was saying you just making the group when just you speak about, first of all you just introduce about you both of you, and then you just negotiate about the topics. Just like there is a 50 student in the class, now there is a 50 student in the class, it means there is a 10 and 10 group it will make from the one group. So in the one group there will be the one or 10 and another is 10. It means this 10 will speak about any topics like AI. It means this type of topic will speak from the both of side, and they will, one is against and one will speak about like a topics against, someone is against and someone is in positive way. So in this way when they're going in this kind of environment, when they introduce different way of talking through their vocal cavity, when they're practicing again and again, it means he movement their vocal cavity in the different way of sentences, how to create those we are not able to creating, then we have to introduce that type of environment. We have to go on that type of sentence, though we can easily improve. Yes, I know very well it's a time to initial time, there is a time taking, it will mistaking some little bit, somehow it's no any issue, it's no any problem. Teachers help them to how to speak English very well, they also helping you more and more. He definitely giving this kind of way of talking his styles to different student on their classes, and also he giving the tips how to improve, how to learn the vocabulary word, how to use the professional word while we're speaking in the different way of places. So how to use our different vocabulary words, there are lots of things helping to teachers. They also giving different way of making our homework, how to do that kind of thing, they also giving you. So definitely when someone choosing the good academy, it also helping you more and more improving. But somehow I can say there are many students or many ones still who married, they also not able to speak, but they are more curious to learning environment. But many one who have not sufficient money for their small kind of academic institute can join, but somehow they can depend on their self. I'm definitely sharing, I'm just telling about me, that's how I is speaking right now, how I able to speaking in front of you today, how I experience in my life. Whatever I'm facing challenges, still I'm facing nowadays and suffering from lots of issues and problems. I'm nothing, my mind is to be going on that place that you just doing that kind of thing, activity or wrong like this. But I never judge myself, I just going like this again and again. I mean, still I going in that pathway, and nothing I believing that's where you're mistaking your grammar, your sentences, you using a only past, you using a only present, you using only a future tense, and nothing I unable to creating the sentences or not. This is the main thing. Why you going the dash, why you someone going in the way of grammar like this? I nothing believe that. If you are not able to creating the sentences, then why you going in the way of grammar? First of all, you need to create your sentences by on yourself, then you have to go on the grammar. Actually it is the not case that we have to go in the grammar. When someone able to creating sentences very well, when they practicing again and again more and more, and definitely when someone who fluent in this language, someday he definitely feel that where I'm mistaking, so you can easily improve yourself. Once time you will look the grammar like this, a past, a present, a future tenses, so definitely you will be very more and more amazingly on this level of English. But somehow why someone just ignoring this thing, and someone who learn English, there are many one who coming to judge their English. No, you're mistaking like this. I don't know why you're doing like this. If someone judge like this, actually the person feel that I'm not good in English. I have to give up that kind of thing. No man, that thing is not go. That thing you not do like this. Why you doing like this? You cannot in the environment wherever you're living, so you cannot satisfy all the person, all the people. So don't believe on yourself that I would like to satisfy all the people. So never and never you satisfied. And I'm making this video right now, and never, I'm sure that all Indian or any countries not believe on my video. They will feel as very as just like there is wastage of video. Many one, they have a courage, they have a attitude, so more and many one have. So never you cannot satisfy to many ones, definitely. So just ignore all the things, just do on yourself. I say there are lots of things I would like to say, but my video is going to so longer. I will making as a precisely, but I'm trying how to precisely make, but I have not sufficient idea, but I'm still trying my best. So actually this is the way of also my experience how to making the video very well. So gradually it's improved by a way daily basis when I'm practicing on day by day. Yeah, definitely we can say still I'm practicing English, man. and nothing say that. When you're going in the different way of environment in India to other country, you feel very amazingly diversified of English slangs and their accent. Actually, I'm just telling you about the accent of the Nigeria. When the Indian and Nigerian, I'm just comparing when they're saying the water, just like Indian saying the water, and the Nigerian saying that water, water. They're not saying, they silence the R, water. So amazingly, just to look, Indian saying that's mother, the Nigerian saying that mother, just like Indian saying father, R, and non-Nigerian saying a father, father. Nigerian accent when you're listening, it's like a very interesting like this. Just you look, father, mother, sister, water, like this. So amazingly, you will say that when you're going search in YouTube, the lots of video are there of the Nigerian who making the video of funny video. When you're listening, there are English. I'm very happy when they're listening. It's like enjoyment, and also I'm learning from their self also. This is very amazing thing. I would like to say I have to make video very efficient way to how someone they can learn English by on their self if they have not money. I'm saying that no, it's okay if you have not time. Then you can also learn by yourself by practicing with yourself. Just do on yourself, practice. Main thing when you practicing, just you pick up any topic, just you speak again and again. All the topic just you speak. You just never forget anything else. Just forget all the thing that what you speak. You just suppose that if you're mistaking grammar or like this whatever, just ignore all the thing. Just to go and speak again and again. So just to try, and definitely I will make the one video basically those person they can learn by on their self. How can they learn very precisely? I will make basically that kind of video. So I will come back again the another video, man. So in this way, just to try yourself. So I will look you again. Thank you.